Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can buy games on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to buy games on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on PlayStation Store. And then once you're here, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent release, collections, sales, subscriptions, browse. Here you're gonna find the option to search. Here you're gonna find your wish list, your cart, and lastly plus. If you click on plus right here, as you can see guys, you can add a payment method. You can also redeem a code. So right now, if you want to buy a game, just go ahead and search for it. For example, I'm gonna search for Red Dead Redemption. And then once you do that, go ahead and select the game. Then once you click on the game, right here, as you can see guys, you can view the product like this. And here, as you can see guys, you can buy it by clicking right here. And then go ahead and click on accept, then click on order and pay. Once you do that, as you can see guys, the last step is adding your payment method. Then you're gonna be able to buy the game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.